nails done. Or we're about to get our nails done. I forgot I was vlogging today. Ooh. What do you think? That's pretty. Oh, I like those together, actually. I'm thinking these because I'm wearing a blue dress, so why not? I don't know why I do this to myself. This is hard, actually. It's a pain in the fucking ass. I have a margarita, but I forgot. Oh. The fucking straw was not right over. This is my biggest fear right now. Feels nice. I'm debating if I want my water warmer or should I just be grateful. Because it feels nice, but I like mine scalded. Oh yeah, I like mine hot as fuck, yeah. That is so cute. We'll see. Right. So we decided to stop at Carlos Kelly's for a marg and some beer tacos. Now. Period. Hers looks so cute. Right, I know. For real. My fucking toe got chipped. This is not the right blue, but I might have to make do. No, definitely not that one. Fuck. I'm gonna fix it with this blue. Fuck it. Okay, so we're about to go to the grocery store. I have not been home for a really long time since fucking 4th of July and shit. I really need to empty out my fridge because I was at my mom's house for literally a week straight. So, yeah. None of this shit is good. I gotta throw it out. And I don't even know what to get. I didn't really make a list. I probably should make a list before I leave, or I'm not gonna remember shit. Okay, quick haul of what I got. So first of all, I went to Dollar Tree and, oh, that's not from Dollar Tree. I just went and got some like bathroom stuff, toothpick, floss things, and then makeup wipes, dish shit, extra toothbrushes. I just like to have extras because I change my toothbrush like often. I don't know. I just like to do that. And then I just got some more vanity light bulbs. Then I went to the grocery store and I just got a couple of things. This body wash was on sale, so I got some of that. Babe, some deodorant. And oh, and then I got this thingy. I really need one because I'm trying to keep up on like my supplements and like my 1-a-day vitamins and shit. So I got one of these to keep myself on track and organized. And then I just got this all-purpose cleaner. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out because I don't have an all-purpose cleaner, so I'm gonna start using that. Just got a couple of groceries. I do think I'm gonna meal prep some snacks and things tonight because I don't know, during the day I just want to have something easy that I can just pick up real quick. I got some of this Celsius water packets just to like help boost my energy because sometimes I just don't have any fucking energy and it's too hot to drink coffee. It's too hot for that. Like, yeah, I'll get my iced coffee in the morning, but to keep my energy throughout the day and the night, because sometimes I'm up all night editing and shit, I gotta keep my energy. So I just got that, and I also got some tea to try that helps boost your energy as well. This right here, right now, is my problem. I just dropped babe off and I have to stay awake. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. Maybe that will help me stay awake. So I just got done filming a sandwich on my face. But yeah, I just got done filming some videos. I'm about to watch some YouTube for 30 minutes. Around this time, I want to take a nap, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm trying to stop fucking falling asleep during the day. So I'm gonna allow myself to lay down for a little bit. Maybe read a little bit of my book. I am gonna reread this book. Absolutely love it. So I'm gonna reread that, and yeah, I only get to watch one video before I get up and work again. No falling asleep. So I actually did fall asleep, but it's okay. We're up now. I just finished some work. One thing I didn't do though today was take Instagram pictures, which I really wanted to do. I need to get on, oh shit. I think I just need to get on Pinterest and find some inspo. Because I don't really know what to do. I don't really have an idea. And it's hot as fuck outside. So, yeah, I don't, every time I go outside I sweat, so fuck. I just need some ideas. I'll take off my makeup. And then probably look on Pinterest. Plan my day for tomorrow. I need to start making my to-do list like the night before, so I can just wake up and know what I'm doing. Just get started. Yeah, I need to clean out my car, but yeah, today it was way too hot, and then I fell asleep. All right, well I guess I'm gonna go put up this laundry and do the dishes so I don't have to do it to fucking tomorrow. I forgot to show y'all what I got at Marshall's that day. I just got the Chi shampoo and conditioner, and I also got some MAC Studio Fix powder and some Morphe powder as well. Now I'm going to go clean out my car. I've been procrastinating on 1, cleaning out my car, and 2, sweeping and mopping the floors. I've been procrastinating for like a little too long, like a week, so I'm about to just do it. It's gonna be hot outside no matter what, so I'm gonna just do it. Okay, so I got this organizer off Amazon. We're gonna see if it fits for one, but I just have a lot of random shit back there, and I hate how it looks. Foot massager I need to take in the house. This goes in babe's car because she wants that. My old steering wheel cover. I'm still gonna keep it because right now I'm using my fuzzy one, but I know like when I get tired of it, I'll probably want to switch back. Okay, the little organizer looks like this. So let's have a fishing pole for my wife. She does that shit, and then I think this hooks somehow. Not 1,000, but oh, it has pockets too. Pockets on the outside, and like on each side it has these as well. This is a compressor. I don't know what the fuck for. So have a lot of random shit in my hair. This is a radio, like one of those things you can talk on. I don't know. I got a camping light bulb, water shoes. Me and babe go to the lake. There we go. You can set it like this in there so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And then this is just like my just in case kit. It just has like fucking jumper cables, random shit in it. Oh, I think it's a flashlight. I don't know what this is. But yeah, first aid kit. Just, you know, emergencies. Yes. Now I'm about to clean out the front of my car real quick. Okay, car's done. I think I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I'm just going to wipe off my makeup really quickly. Yeah. This foundation, it's cute, but it does not like, here it gets, I mean, the other day it got up to 118. Like, it is hot. So, I don't think this foundation's gonna do it for the summer. I might need to go to Ulta sometime this weekend, get another one. But this is my first time actually getting lash extensions. So yeah, taking care of them is a little bit different. I'm definitely not used to that, but I do like them. Just so I don't have to put on as much makeup or any makeup at all on the days where it's just not even worth doing. So that's nice. I think I will probably continue to get them the rest of the summer at least, and then when it gets cooler I will probably just go back to wearing regular lashes. They say you can put lashes over these, but I don't. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Do be sure that you check out my main channel if you haven't already. Also, be sure to go check out the merch and my lashes. I will link everything down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.